Hello everyone, welcome to Tilottama-handloom.in. I am Chaitanya. Today I am going to show you our very exclusive collection, Tassar Silk Saree. All the sarees are Tassar Silk Saree and all the sarees have zari border on it. So very demanding collection. People are asking for Tassar Silk Saree and today I am showing 20 Tassar Silk in different designs. If you like to purchase these sarees, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Otherwise, you can log on to our website. It's www.tilottama-handloom.in. And if you like our sarees, like our video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for your regular notification. So let's start with the sarees today. This is our first saree. This is our first zari border Tassar silk saree for today's episode. And it has the golden zari border. Both sides have the golden zari border. And the golden color is combined with the pink. It's dark pink. Both sides have the dark pink border with the zari weaving border. And all over body there is this flower motif on it. This is very beautiful color. The color is very beautiful in the tassar. It's dark yellow. It's chrome yellow, dark yellow, and the flowers in pink and grey on the side. This is pallu. The pallu, it has own zari border stripe on it, and it has the dark pink border, and blouse is also in pink. This is the blouse, and this is the border. This is the pallu. This is saree look. The saree price is 5,200. If you like to purchase, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp. This is our next saree. This is zari border Tassar silk saree in kalamkari design. This is a hand painted kalamkari design, and the saree color is blue, dark blue with white combination. All over body have the same motif on it, and the both side border has a golden zari with the red color combination. This is the pallu, red striped pallu. It has own texture, own weaving zari border in the pallu, and blouse is in red. This is also very beautiful color combination with Tassar silk saree. If you like to purchase, please take a screenshot. This is also very beautiful color combination. This is another saree. The color combination with the yellow with the golden yellow with the base beige color on it. The base color is Tassar color, and the flower, it's leaf motif all over the body. It's leaf motif all over saree going through like this print, and the saree is golden yellow, and the border has the golden piping on it. Both side border golden zari border, and it has a golden piping on it. See, this is the saree look, and this is pallu. This is pallu, and this one is blouse. This saree price is 5,200. If you like to purchase this saree, please go through our website www.tilottama-handloom.in. Otherwise, you can WhatsApp us. WhatsApp link is in description box. WhatsApp number 7890721706. Side price is 5,200. Another design in zari tassar. This color is in purple. It's dark purple. It's not blue. It's dark purple, and it has a golden zari border. Both sides have the golden zari border, and mango polka design all over the body. Very beautiful color combination and design is very elegant. This saree price is 4,900. This is the pallu. Pallu is very beautifully designed. It's block printed Tassar silk saree, and the blouse is running in this color. Purple. If you have any queries, please call or WhatsApp us 7890721706. We will give you all the details there. Your next color combination. This is our next saree. It is a very beautiful color combination. The base color is beige color or Tassar color. It has the base original Tassar color, the base color. Upper side has the lower two line border, maroon with the brown, maroon with the orange, and it has a temple, black temple in the upper side. And lower side, you can see this is the 5 lines border. 5 lines border, multicolor border in the lower side, and it has a temple on the top of it. This one is the pallu. This is the pallu. saree price is 4,900. If you like this saree, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp. If you like our sarees, like our video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for your regular notification. This is our next saree. It is a blue with a pink color combination. The border also in two colors. The color combination, see this design pattern is very beautiful, and white flowers and temple on the border, and the body, it has a body with a white flowers motif on it. All over the body is the same design. This is the pallu. Pallu is in pink with a golden stripe on it. And this is the blouse, pink. This is the pallu for this saree. Very beautiful saree, very elegant one also. In this color combination, that's a good, very beautiful. If you like, please take a screenshot. See, this is our next saree, next color combination. The base color is tussar color, and both sides have a black golden border on it. Zari border with a black piping design on it, and the leaf motif all over the body. This is a very beautiful and elegant color combination. Saree price is 5,200. This is pallu. It's black with a golden stripe on it. This is the and blouse is it. This is the saree look. And saree price is 5,200. If you like to purchase this saree, please take a screenshot of this. This is a very beautiful color combination of yellow with a grey and orange combination. The lower side border is in orange with golden zari, and upper side border is in grey with the golden zari obviously. And it has a small block in orange and black in the upper side, and lower side has a skirt border on it. See, this is a grey panel, and both sides have the orange block on it. It's newly launched block on our website. This is the saree look. The saree price is 5,200. It's pallu. This is the pallu. It's very beautiful pallu, and the blouse is in orange. This is the blouse. The saree price is 5,200. This is our next saree, and the saree color is in grey, and the border is in golden zari with the pink. The grey saree have the small flower of the pink with the green leaf on it. The saree is very beautiful, very elegant. It's very small, intricate design, very beautiful block print on it. This is the grey color, also very beautiful. And this is the pallu. Pallu is in stripe. This one pallu. And blouse is in contrast pink. Blouse is pink. This is the pink blouse. The saree look is very beautiful, very elegant. The color combination also very elegant. This saree price is 5,200. If you like this saree, please take a screenshot. You can directly order from our website. It's www.amahappy.in. I will give you the link in our description box. This is the saree. The combination of tussar silk saree. This color is in the peach pink. The beautiful, very beautiful color. It's peach pink. Block print on it. It has both sides have the golden zari weaving border and peach colored piping of the both side border. Both sides have the golden with the peach pink color piping on it, and it has a leaf motif. The leaf motifs are all in peach. All over the side going through like this. It's very elegant color combination. This is the pallu, peach colored pallu with a silk weaving on it, stripe weaving on it, and peach colored blouse. This tussar silk saree priced at 5,200. If you like, please take a screenshot. This is our next saree. The saree color is very beautiful. It's golden zari border. Both sides have a golden zari border, and it has the small buttas in white color. Small buttas all over the saree. Very elegant color combination of this one. It has a golden stripe, golden zari weaving stripe on it on the blouse, and this is the blouse. This is the blouse, and it has a pallu is a golden stripe, self color weaving running pallu. It has a self running pallu, and it has a own texture, own zari border weaving on the side. This is the sari. It's very beautiful color combination. The side price is 5,200. If you like, please take a screenshot of this. This is another sari. It's hand painted tasar. This is not a block print. This is hand painted tasar silk sari. It's very beautiful color combination. The color shadings are very beautiful. See the color shading of the sari. Upper yoke you can get this black with the flower motifs on it. Then the color is shaded like this. Okay. And the next half also in partly you can get this circle motif. I can show you the lower part also. It's very beautifully color combinations. Very beautiful one. This is the pallu design. Sorry, this is the patki. This black flower motif. This is the patki. And the pallu is like this. This is the pallu. This is pallu. And blouse is in pink. This is in pink contrast. After wearing the sari, look very beautiful. After wearing the sari, looks like really very beautiful. This is the color combination of the sari, and this is hand painted. Sari price is 5,200. If you like the sari, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. WhatsApp number 7890721770. And if you like our saris, like our video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for your regular notification. This is our next sari. Next tasar silk sari. This is another very beautiful color combination of brown with the pink and pink. It's not pink, it's a peach pink color border. Both sides have the golden zari weaving border with the peach pink color shade on it. Both side border. The very elegant, very beautiful color combination, and it has a green with a white texture motif on the body. Very beautiful color, very elegant look. It looks very elegant. And this is the pallu. It has own texture and it has own zari weaving panel on the pallu. And this is the peach pink colored contrast blouse piece. See the sari. The sari color is very elegant, very beautiful one. The sari price is 5,200. If you like the sari, please take a screenshot of this. This is very beautiful color combination. I can give you the close look of this one. The texture of the sari and the print of the sari. It's not very bright, but in tasar, it's look very elegant. Last sari of this episode. The base color is tasar color. It's off-white body and blue. Both sides have the blue colored combination. Upper side have the small temple, long temple with a two colored blue line border, and lower side border also have put this card border design on it. This is very beautiful and elegant color combination. All over body going to look like this, and this is the pallu. Two colored pallu. It has also the golden stripe on it, and this is the dark peacock blue blouse piece. If you like the sari, please take a screenshot of this. And thank you so much for watching our video. And if you like the saris, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Otherwise, you can go through our website. It's www.tilotamahandloom.in, and you can go through our tasar silk collection there. You can directly purchase from our website also. And if you have any query, any doubt, please feel free to call us. The calling number, WhatsApp number is the same, 7890721706. That's all for today. Happy shopping with us.